how to turn off comments, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just click this one here, comments, click on it, and then you will find this one here, notifications. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see, email notifications has been turned off. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.